I've spent hours trying to come up with business names. You brainstorm, you finally come up with something that you absolutely love, and then you find out the .com is gone. Or worse still, it's available, but they want a few £1,000s for it. And I ain't paying that, I'll tell you that. So today I'm going to show you how to add the Namecheap plugin to ChatGPT so it can generate names for you and also check if the domain names are available all in the same place. In ChatGPT, look in the sidebar for plugins. Click on that, then search for Namecheap. Click on Namecheap, then click Install Plugin. Then click Connect Namecheap. Now I'm already logged into Namecheap, but if you're not, you will need to create an account and to log in. And you'll get a message confirming it's all connected. Then we're going to start a new chat. Now to select Namecheap, we either click the plus button and then scroll down till we find it, or type the @ symbol and Namecheap. Now for this example, I'm going to get it to help me name an art app that helps visual artists with social media. But you can use this for any business, product or service. So my prompt's going to be, use Namecheap to come up with name ideas for a new art app that helps visual artists with social media. I want it to be distinct and memorable. It must have a non-premium.com domain available. Ask me a few questions if you need, one at a time, maximum of 5. Notice I've said .com only and only non-premium domains, and I'm being very specific. And a quick warning, if you let ChatGPT ask you more than 5 questions, it gets really carried away. So now I'm going to answer ChatGPT's questions. So first it's asking me the main app's job. So I'm going to pick 5, a broader all-in-one social media assistant. Then it wants to know how the app should feel. So I'll pick 1, creative and artistic. It wants to know whether it should suggest art and social media or be more abstract. So I'm going to say either. It wants to know who it's aimed for. So I'm going to pick 1, visual artists. And if I want a name made from real words or invented, so I'm going to say 1, real. And you can see how it started generating ideas and it's checking what's actually available as a domain as well as it goes. And now it's evaluating what it thinks are the best names and it gives me a suggested shortlist. So its favourites are Palette Signal, Canvas Current, Easel Echo and Artist Beacon. Now I'm not sure about some of these, but I don't mind Artist Beacon. So I think what I'll ask it to do now is I'll get it to check if it's got social media handles available. So I'm going to prompt ChatGPT, can you check if social media handles are available too for Artist Beacon? And you can see how ChatGPT is now doing an initial check for me. So it's done that initial check and it can't find anything in most of the social platforms, but it tells me it can't check TikTok. Also, it's not available to actually log in the social platforms, so it can only do an initial check. So now I need to go in and do a double check manually. It's also given me some good advice to do a trademark search, just to make sure no one else is using it for a similar business. And if I decide I want to buy artistbeacon.com, I can just go back up to where ChatGPT found it, click the arrow, and it will take me straight through to Namecheap. So next time you'll start naming a business, product or service, give it a try and let me know how you get on. Now I send out a short email every week with my latest AI tips. You can get that by searching for the link below, and I will see you in the next one.